Hello and welcome, guys. Hope we are doing great. So I am here with again with a new tool that is called Adobe Express. By using which you can create your images, YouTube thumbnail, your Instagram post images, any social media post. You can also create a social media a story in form of images and video. So let me walk you through this and how you can use this adobe.com and Adobe Express in your project for creating the thumbnail. Okay, so I am already logged in with, and here you see I have just created this one for my YouTube video. But for you, let me start from the beginning. So under the after successfully login, you will come inside the discover, then click on more, and under this filter, click on filter, and you will find these are the category in which you need to work. I want YouTube thumbnail, so I just click on YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and you see it is selected now, and I want you have to pick which style you want. Okay, so here are lots of templates already given here. You need to pick the one that is best suited for you. Okay, for example, let me pick this one. So just click on that and click on add as a page. Close this one and you see your page is added here. You can adjust this image if you want. You can also replace this image as well. For example, if you want this image, you can also do that. So you can remove this image. Now you see that image has been removed, and you can use this image as a like this. If you want this image in a background, you can also do that. You can layer up down. You can set from here. Let me fit it to background. Add as a background. The moment you click here, you see in the right, add as a background. So right side, I want this in a background. But if you want this as a full background, we have to stretch like this. Okay. But for now, I want this in half this images and half this text. Okay. So that is something this template I had picked, and now you can change your text information if required. Here you can also my style, you can change that. If you want to remove the first one, you can also remove that if not required by using the delete key. And if you require, you can also increase the size of that. Okay, my style exhibition, you can also increase the size of this. Let's suppose Victoria Palace. Place name PLSCE you want. So now your thumbnail is ready and you can use wherever you want. Okay. If you need any other change, like if you want to change the color of this exhibition, you can also do that from here. Textual color you can change. If you want to change the background, you can also you can change that. Okay, from here you can change the background, you see here. Okay, so this way you can perform whichever task you need. You can select discover here. You can also see, you can also find some project like templates from here. So hopefully this will help you to understand this. You can also download here, start download this page only, and your project has been downloaded.